Today I'm going to teach you how to reset an auto number field in Salesforce. This is particularly useful when you want to start your numbering sequence over from scratch, whether you're cleaning up test data or reorganizing your records for a fresh start. First, click the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This is your setup menu. From there, select Setup to access all your administrative tools and configurations. Once you're in Setup, look for Object Manager beside the Home tab and click on it. Object Manager is where you'll find all the standard and custom objects in your Salesforce org, giving you complete control over their structure and fields. Next, find and click on your object name. In this example, we'll use case, but the same process applies to any object that has an auto number field you want to reset. This will open up all the settings and configurations specific to that object. Now, click on Fields and Relationships. This section displays all the fields associated with your object, including standard fields, custom fields, and special field types like auto number fields. Locate and click on the auto number field name you want to reset. In our example, this would be Case ID. Clicking on it will open the field's detail page where you can view its current settings and make modifications. Click the Edit button to begin making changes to this field. This is where the reset process really begins. Now comes a crucial step. Click Change Field Type. This might seem counterintuitive since we want to keep it as an auto number field, but this temporary conversion is the key to resetting the numbering sequence. From the field type options, select Text and click Next. By converting the auto number field to a text field temporarily, Salesforce essentially wipes the auto number settings. Don't worry, this won't affect your existing data. The numbers in your records will remain intact as text values. Click Save to confirm this change. At this point, your field is now officially a text type field, and you'll see this reflected in the field's details. Now we're going to convert it back. Click on the field name again to open its detail page, then click Edit once more. Click Change Field Type again. This time we're going to restore it to its original purpose, but with a fresh start. Select Auto Number from the field type options and click Next. This is where you'll set up your numbering sequence from scratch. Now you need to set your display format and starting number. For example, you might enter SF followed by 4 zeros in curly braces, which would create numbers like SF0001, SF0002, and so on. In the starting number field, enter 1 or whatever number you want to begin with. This gives you complete control over how your new sequence will look and where it starts. Finally, click Save to complete the process. Your auto number field is now reset and will begin generating numbers according to your new configuration for any records created going forward. And that's it. You've successfully reset your auto number field in Salesforce, giving you a clean slate for your numbering sequence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.